Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this really pretty pink glitter cut crease and then this winged liner with like the white. I'm just kind of obsessed. I think it's just very like pop art-esque. I don't know. I just like it. It's like 2 a.m. and I just feel kind of loopy. But I hope you guys like this tutorial. Hope you like the look. If you want to see how I got it, then go ahead and keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming the eyelid with some Tarte Shape Tape. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with my Beauty Blender. And then I'm just going to set that whole eyelid with this white shadow from the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye palette. From the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this kind of rose shade. And I'm going to take this on a big fluffy blending brush, and this is what I am using as my transition, so I'm just going to buff that into my whole crease. Then from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm mixing these two pink shades and I'm just going to deepen my crease with those. I'm going to pick up this shade called Forever from the Morphe 39A palette and put that in my crease as well. Next, I'm going to cut out my crease with some Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just going to set that with that same white shadow from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Now I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue and I'm going to cover that whole entire area. The House of Sparkles glitter in the shade Sweetheart, and you can use the code Beauty by Anna Grace to get 15% off of anything on their website, and I will have them linked down in the description as well. And I'm just going to pat this all over the eyelid. Next I'm going to take the NYX liquid liner and create a wing. So now that I have this wing, I'm going to go in with the white liquid liner by NYX and I'm going to outline it, and it's okay if it's messy because you can go back and clean it up with the black. Alrighty, I am back. I have my face makeup on, foundation, bronzer, blush to my eyebrows, concealer, powder, all that. So we are going to hop into the lower lash line. I'm first going to pick up that rosy shade from the 35B. We're just going to start buffing this all under the lash line. We're going to go in with a fluffy brush and really diffuse that. Now I'm going to mix these two darker colors on like a flat definer brush, and I'm going to just take this really close up to the lash line. Then I'm going to take this brush again and we're just going to buff the two colors together. Alrighty, and then I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm going to put this in my waterline. And then of course I'm going to put mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, and now from the Morphe 35E palette, I'm taking this Frosty Pink shade. I'm going to use this to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. And all of these shadows are so pretty for look at that. So good. I'm also just going to use this to highlight the rest of my face because we're just going for a pink vibe. So let's just continue it. And this highlighter looks bomb. Ooh, I have glitter all over my face, so if you see that, just ignore it. And for my lip color, I used the Too Faced Melted Longwear Lipstick, and this is in the shade Melted Fig. And then, last but not least, gonna set this, even though we're not going anywhere. It's literally 2 a.m., but feels good, so we still do it. Okay, that is the finished look. I really like this look, and again, House of Sparkles has a lot of super pretty glitters, and they're all only like $2.50, and they have deals all the time to make them like $1, and it's crazy. You can use code Beauty by Anna Grace at checkout to get 15% off your whole purchase from this store. So definitely check out their website. I'll have it linked in the description, and I'll have my code down there just in case you guys want to use it. But yeah, that is it for this look. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, you will probably like my other one, so go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!